Hello all. In this session, again, the continuation of module 1, that is management, that is engineering management introduction. Here, we are going to see uh, features of management. That is, features of management contains mainly the decision making relationship among all the resources and existence of the objectives, organized activities, and working with and with the through the people. So here mainly we are going to discuss regarding the difference between what is administration and what is the management. Actually, the administration, there is a three different parts here according to the different organization. That is, administration is above management, administration is part of the management, and administration and management both are same here. So there is a three different category in different organization. Administration is above management means the CEO or a owner who owns the company or who owns that organization, or to own who is owning that enterprise. So he'll be the administrator, and under that those who are working or managing the things will be management. So that is the one case, and sometimes the administration is a part of management. Sometimes there is a part in the management. Administration will take some part of the management or some responsibility of the management. Or sometimes the administration and management, that is those who are managing and who owns the company or enterprise, both will be same. Administration is above management. If you're taking the first condition, that is, management on the other hand is an executive function which is primarily concerned with carrying out broad policies laid down by the administration. And administration in that phase, that the business enterprise with the overall determination of institutional objectives. So that will be a policy necessary to be followed everyone to achieve those goals. So that condition will be there if the administration is above management. And next one, administration is a part of management. If it will take some integral part of the management means it is a social process entailing responsibility for the executive and economic planning, and also to fulfill the process or task, or to complete that particular project in the enterprise or in the organization. And management is a generic name for the total process of executive control in an industry or a commerce. And it is a part of management which is concerned with the installation and carrying out the procedures by which it is laid down and communicated. So the process of activities will be regulated and also checked against the plan. So plan will be if the plan is a first category, so then checked against the plans it will be mandatory here. Okay, now we'll see the administration and management difference between. Okay, so here the nature of work, scope, and level of authority. So this will plays a major role. And next, that is influence and also the nature of organization. These are the categories. And status. So these are the categories in the administration and management. First one, nature of work. First one, nature of work. So the first will be considered as a first will be considered as just a second. First will be considered as a administration, and second will be considered as a management here. That is nature of work. So what will be the nature of work for the administrator or a management? So two different category here. The administration, in administration the nature of work will be like a primary concerned with determination of objectives and policies, and it is thinking function. In the management it is dues the implementation plans and the policies and doing function. So whatever the plan happened in the administrator, whatever the plan the administrator did, this that going to follow by the management, that is going to follow with the management. Next one, scope. it takes the, I mean, administration will takes the major decision here. The scope means, and compared to the management, it takes a decision within the frame. And what that means, whatever the administration is taking decision, 1 minute, whatever the administration is taking a decision, so that that is going to followed by the management here. So they have to think within the framework, within that border. So next, level of authority. So level will be a top level function for the administration, and the management will be lower level function, because the management is followed by the management is going to follow the administration here. Influence in that, administration, its decisions are influenced by external factors such as social or political labor, but in the management, the influence by internal factors such as values, beliefs, and opinions. If you are considering a nature of organization, the nature will be like relation with the good military educational thing, that is, it will be in the organization level. But here there will be a it will make a business forms, a small business forms. And the next one is status. So if we consider administration, so it consists of owners, main owners, CEOs of an enterprise. In the management, it consists of a managerial personnel with specialized knowledge who can who may be an employee. So in the status, if you're considering status as a category, so the manager is just a good degree with or a specialized knowledge in that particular project or organization, who may be called as an employee itself. Thank you.